Most people chase health benefits one at a time. Better digestion? Take fiber. More energy? Drink coffee. Stronger bones? Pop calcium pills. But what if you're missing the bigger picture? Your digestive system directly influences your immune function. Your mineral absorption affects both your bones and your energy levels. Your blood sugar control impacts everything from your brain to your heart. Dates pack fiber to support digestion, B vitamins to power energy, minerals like potassium and magnesium for your heart and bones, plus antioxidants to fight inflammation. They work with your body's natural interconnected systems rather than against them. When you understand how these connections work, eating dates becomes a strategic choice for total body health. Stick around to see how just 2 dates a day can unlock these hidden health connections. The gut connection, how dates create a health domino effect. The gut connection reveals why this happens. Your gut houses trillions of bacteria that control far more than just digestion. They influence your immune system, mood, and energy levels in ways that most people never connect to their daily food choices. Here's what's remarkable about dates. The fiber feeds specific beneficial bacteria that produce compounds your body desperately needs to function at its best. When you eat dates, both the soluble and insoluble fiber travels directly to your large intestine, where it becomes premium food for good bacteria like bifidobacterium and lactobacillus. Research shows that dates increase these beneficial bacteria, which then ferment the fiber into short-chain fatty acids. These short-chain fatty acids strengthen your intestinal wall from the inside out. A stronger intestinal wall means less inflammation throughout your entire body and better nutrient absorption. Every vitamin, mineral, and compound you consume gets processed more efficiently, directly impacting your energy levels in ways you can feel within days. The compounds in dates actively promote the growth of beneficial bacteria while clearing out harmful microbes that have been lodged in your intestines for months or even years. Think of it as a selective cleaning process. The good bacteria multiply and strengthen while harmful bacteria lose their grip and get eliminated naturally through your normal digestive processes. This creates a cascade effect that most people never experience with other foods. Better digestion leads to improved energy and reduced inflammation. Less inflammation means your body wastes less energy fighting internal battles, leaving more available energy for your daily activities. This improved mental clarity leads to better food choices, which feeds back into the cycle. When dates feed your gut bacteria, they create a positive feedback loop that keeps building on itself. Your gut bacteria become partners in your health rather than silent passengers along for the ride. This gut transformation directly impacts how efficiently your body can convert food into usable energy. But the real magic happens at the cellular level, where your body's energy factories depend on specific nutrients to function properly. The energy factory, how B vitamins transform your metabolism. These cellular powerhouses need specific B vitamins to function, and dates deliver exactly what your mitochondria require. Your cells contain tiny energy factories called mitochondria, but they can't produce energy without B vitamins that act like essential workers in this cellular factory. Without these workers, your energy production shuts down no matter how much food you eat. Most people try to fight fatigue with caffeine or sugar, but they're missing the real problem. Their energy production system is starving for the right nutrients. You might be surprised to learn that your mitochondria need B vitamins working together to convert food into actual cellular energy. When even one of these vitamins runs low, your entire energy system slows down. A 100-gram serving of dates provides 15% of your daily vitamin B6 and 13% of your daily magnesium, illustrating how they support cellular energy production. These aren't random nutrients thrown together. Pantothenic acid helps your body break down fats and carbohydrates more efficiently, so your cells can access stored energy faster and use it more completely. Vitamin B6 supports the production of new red blood cells that carry oxygen to your tissues, while also supporting mood regulation through neurotransmitter production. These B vitamins don't just give you energy. They help convert the food you eat into usable cellular fuel, while reducing the metabolic waste that causes fatigue. Think of metabolic waste as cellular exhaust fumes that slow you down. The niacin in dates helps your nervous system function properly. This reduces the mental fog that often accompanies physical fatigue. Your brain uses enormous amounts of energy, and when your nervous system runs efficiently, you think more clearly and feel more alert throughout the day. Here's the connection most people miss. When your metabolism runs efficiently, it reduces oxidative stress, which means less inflammation and better recovery. The B vitamins in dates work like a coordinated team in your cellular energy factories, converting food into usable fuel while reducing metabolic waste. This explains why people who eat dates regularly report sustained energy without the crashes associated with sugar or caffeine. This improved energy production creates ripple effects throughout your entire body, but one system benefits in ways that most people never connect to their daily food choices. The cardiovascular shield. How dates protect your heart system. Your heart becomes the primary beneficiary of this enhanced energy production. What if the same food that boosts your energy could also be quietly protecting your heart from one of the most dangerous threats to your cardiovascular system? Your cholesterol levels don't just affect your arteries. They influence your entire cardiovascular network, from blood flow to heart rhythm, in ways that impact every organ in your body. While most people focus on avoiding bad foods for heart health, they overlook how certain foods can actively repair and protect their cardiovascular system. You might be surprised to learn that your body needs help removing existing cholesterol buildup, not just preventing new damage. Most heart-healthy approaches miss this active protection component. The soluble fiber in dates works like a magnet in your small intestine, binding to dietary cholesterol and preventing it from entering your bloodstream. This isn't just prevention, it's active intervention. A controlled trial found that participants eating 3 dates daily for 16 weeks experienced significant LDL reductions, with some seeing drops of up to 8% in bad cholesterol levels. The fiber grabs cholesterol molecules that would otherwise circulate through your arteries and escorts them out of your body through normal waste elimination. Dates' soluble fiber binds LDL bad cholesterol for elimination, while antioxidants protect artery walls, and potassium helps manage blood pressure. Your HDL cholesterol acts like a cleanup crew, removing cholesterol deposits from your artery walls and transporting them to your liver for disposal. The potassium in dates helps regulate your heart rate and supports proper muscle contractions, while also promoting sodium excretion to balance blood pressure. Potassium works at the cellular level in your heart muscle, helping your heart maintain steady, strong contractions while signaling your kidneys to release excess sodium through urine. Here's the deeper connection most people miss. The antioxidants in dates, including flavonoids and phenolic compounds, reduce oxidative stress in your blood vessels. Oxidative stress damages the inner lining of your arteries, creating rough spots where cholesterol and other particles stick and build up. The antioxidants smooth these rough spots and prevent new damage from forming. This protection prevents the inflammation that leads to arterial damage, creating a shield around your entire cardiovascular system. By reducing inflammation, dates help your arteries heal and stay flexible, actively lowering bad cholesterol while raising good cholesterol and regulating blood pressure. This comprehensive cardiovascular support becomes especially crucial when your body faces the unique physiological demands that require targeted nutritional support. The Women's Health Connection: Hormones, Minerals, and Life Stages. Women face some of the most demanding physiological challenges that require this kind of comprehensive nutritional support. Why do some women seem to handle pregnancy, menstruation, and hormonal changes with more ease while others struggle with painful symptoms and complications? The difference often comes down to mineral status. Women's bodies face unique mineral demands during menstruation, pregnancy, and other hormonal shifts that most foods simply can't address comprehensively. The standard advice of taking isolated supplements misses how minerals work together in your body's complex hormonal and reproductive systems. You might be surprised to learn that taking calcium alone can actually block magnesium absorption. Taking iron without vitamin C reduces how much your body can use. Most supplement approaches ignore these critical interactions. Dates supply 13% of your daily magnesium and 15% of your daily potassium, both vital during pregnancy and menstruation for muscle relaxation and fluid balance. These minerals exist in dates in their natural ratios, which means your body recognizes and absorbs them more efficiently than synthetic versions. The minerals work as a team rather than competing against each other for absorption. During menstruation, the 13 milligrams of magnesium in each medjool date helps relax smooth muscle tissue, reducing the intensity of menstrual cramps naturally. Magnesium acts like a natural muscle relaxer. It blocks calcium from causing excessive muscle contractions in your uterus. This reduces both the intensity and duration of cramping without the side effects of pain medications. For pregnant women, dates contain tannins and oxytocin-like compounds that bind to oxytocin receptors, potentially easing natural delivery. A 2017 study found that women who ate dates during pregnancy experienced 4 hours shorter labor and 0.5 centimeter greater cervical dilation. These compounds don't force contractions like synthetic drugs do. They help your body respond more efficiently to its own natural oxytocin production during labor. The iron in dates supports red blood cell production, preventing the anemia that commonly affects women due to monthly blood loss. With 5% of your daily iron value per 100-gram serving, dates provide iron alongside vitamin C and other compounds that enhance absorption. This comprehensive approach demonstrates why nutrition works best when it addresses your body as a unified system. Your body isn't a collection of separate parts. It's an interconnected system where every nutrient choice creates ripple effects throughout your health, and dates prove that the best medicine works with these connections rather than against them. Instead of chasing isolated health benefits with multiple supplements, consider how adding dates to your daily routine could support your gut health, energy production, cardiovascular system, and hormonal balance all at once. Start with just 2 dates daily and pay attention to how your body responds. Notice the shift in your energy, digestion, and mood. Try adding 2 dates to tomorrow's breakfast and let us know in the comments how you feel after a week.